I got something. Hey everyone, I'm so excited because my new camera bodies just arrived today, my Sony A7 IVs, and I thought I'd film a little unboxing video. This is just going to be an extra upload for this week. It's not going to replace my main video, and yes, I did end up getting 2 camera buddies. So outside of YouTube, I am a wedding photographer, so I like to use 2 camera buddies, and I like those 2 bodies to be the same, just for ease of editing, and the A7 IVs look quite different to the A7 IIIs, so I just got 2. But today we'll just be unboxing one, so I'll put one back here. So let's check out what we've got inside. One of the reasons I'm not good at unboxing things. One of the reasons I am extra excited about this is because these camera bodies came a whole week earlier than I was expecting them to. So yeah, what do we have? Some paperwork, cables. Oh yay, I love the new leather straps. They're so pretty. I won't use them, but I really like what they look like. And then we have, what's this? USB-C. Oh, and a battery. I don't know why I wasn't expecting to have a battery in the box. So in the box, it looks like we don't have an external battery charger. It's just a charger to charge the battery when it's in the camera. Last but not least, it's in like an egg carton. That's ugly.
Show me.
Let's get focus on this. Okay, let's go. This is so ungraceful. Let me do it again. Okay. Hey! New camera buddy.
What do you want in focus?
I don't know. I don't know what to do. Well, let's put the battery in there. Okay, let's pop the battery in. Oh, yay, it's alive. And it's on for the first time, yay! So because this camera came so much earlier than I was expecting, I actually have a lot of lenses that I'm reviewing at the moment, so I thought I'd just show you guys what this camera body looks like with a few different lenses. So the first lens I, of course, have to put on my camera body is the GM 35 1.4, my favorite lens for photo. And I have already used this lens in my A7 IV review video, so if you guys haven't watched that yet, you definitely should. I'll leave a link down below, but this is what it looks like. Next up, I have the Tamron 35 to 150 f2 to 2.8. That's what that looks like. So I did already upload a review video on this, so if you haven't watched it yet, I'll leave a link down below as well. Next up, I have another zoom lens. I have the Samyang 24 to 70 f2.8, and I am currently working on a review video of this lens, which will be up this week. This will be the main video of the week. Yeah, super excited to share my review video on this lens, so keep an eye out for that because that'll be out really soon. After the Samyang video, I'm going to be uploading a review of the Tamron 28 to 75 f2.8, and that's this one right here. And compared to the other zoom lenses, this is such a small and lightweight lens. It looks so convenient on the A7 IV. And one of my last lenses that I wanted to show you is the G20mm f1.8. And I'll be using this little lens for vlogging. So I currently use this lens on the A7C and the A7S III when I want to vlog, and now I've got the option to vlog on the A7 IV as well, since we have the flippy screen. So I've popped the GM35 back on because, oh, I've got the little top thingy on. Because I do have a flash from Sony on me at the moment. This is the F45. Almost put it on backwards, but yeah, I just thought I'd show you guys what it looks like with the flash as well. So little, I don't know if you guys know, but I still use my old Canon flashes on the Sony A7 III, and I actually really love how little this is, so I've been considering to get one of the Sony flashes. Me at a wedding. So I did kind of mention these things in my review video, but I thought it would make sense to say them here as well. A couple of the things that I'm most excited about in the A7 IV is the upgraded IAF and subject tracking. I actually use subject tracking a lot. I really like it on the A7C, so I'm excited to get that in the A7 IV now as well. And that's not to say that the A7 III is a bad camera. I used those cameras full time for 3 years, shooting absolutely everything on them. I was doing fashion photography, portraits, weddings, travel. I was even vlogging on the A7 III and it doesn't even have a flip screen. So those cameras are still great. For me, as a full-time photographer, I do like upgrading my gear if it's going to give me some quality of life improvements. So having the better autofocus system is just going to help me be more efficient at my job. I'll be able to get photos faster and deliver better photos to my clients. So that's really important to me. Another thing I'm really excited for is, whoa, that beeping has to go. I don't like it when it beeps. The other thing I'm really excited for is the LCD screen. It is a nice improvement from the A7 III, and as you guys know, I usually use the LCD screen to shoot my photos, so good quality LCD screen is important to me. The only thing, as I said in my review, it is a shame that it is a flippy screen. I do definitely prefer a tilt screen. Also, I just realized it's in auto. Let's change that to manual. So even though this is going to be primarily a photo camera for me, I do have the Sony A7 III that I use for video. I will film a little bit of video here and there with the A7 IV, so I'm very excited that we have 422 10-bit and Cinetone as well, so it'll be really easy to match the footage from my A7 IV to the A7 III, which looking forward to that a lot. But that is all I have for today's video, just a fun little extra upload. Let me know what you think down in the comments and if you're waiting for an A7 IV as well. But as always, thank you so much for watching. I make new videos every single week, so I will see you all next time. Bye!